Hey guys, welcome to Coders Project. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the arrays. How do you create an array, and then how do you identify the array? How do you access the elements of an array? Then how do you change an array element? How do you loop through an array, etc. Also, I'm going to be at the last, I'll show you how do you omit the array size. So, what are arrays? Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable instead of declaring separate variables for each value. To declare an array, define the variable type, specify the name of the array followed by the square brackets, and specify the number of elements it should store. So, let me just show it to you. How do you create an array and much more. Okay, so let's create an array with only strings now. So to create an array, you have to specify the variable type. So let me take it as string for now, and then your variable name or array name. So let me take it as um, ARR1, and then open up the square brackets. And over here, I'm going to be specifying how many items am I going to be storing in that array. So let me take it as 2 now. And over here we have to open up a curly bracket and then start entering. So let me take colors now, like red. Well, this should be an equals red, red, blue and black. Red, blue and black. Now let's print this array. Let's run it now. So okay, excess elements added. Let me make it as 3. Yeah. So the output over here, like you can just say it as the memory of the array, so where it is stored. So like I'll be showing you how do you access the items in the array a bit later. So let me show you how do you create an array with integers or numbers. So we have to type integer int, and then your variable name or array name. Let me take it as 3 again. Well, we don't need to specify double quotes over here. So let me take it as 10, 20 and 30. And let's print array2. Okay, so let's run this. So as you can see, two arrays have been created with different memory units, or where the array stores the values. So now I'm going to be showing you how do you access the elements of the array. So to access the elements of the array, you just have to type cout, and then your array name. Let me take it as array1. I'll be accessing the second element, so the index number is going to be 1. So what are index numbers? If you think like the numbers which are assigned to these inputs in the array, or the items in the array. So it starts from 0, which is red, 1 is blue, and 2 is black. So let me take the index number to be 1 now, so that we can access the blue. Let's run this. So as you can see, blue is printed over here. So this is how you access the items of the array. So now I'm going to be showing you how do you change the items of the array. So to change the array items, you just have to type your array name. So let me change blue to be green or something. So array and then index number 1, I'm going to be changing blue to some other color now, and then equals operator, and inside the double quotes you have to type in what you want to change it to. Let me change it to gold. So this will get changed now. When you access it, it's going to give you gold. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how do you loop through all the elements in the array. So to loop through all the elements in the array, you just have to type, you just have to add a for loop over here. For and then condition. So for, well, for integer x equals 0, x equal to, s x is lesser than or equal to 4. And over here, yeah, let me take it as 4, and the condition is going to be x and 2 plus. Open up a curly bracket. Over here we're going to be printing it out, c out, and then array1, and then in the open up a square bracket, and you have to type in the variable x what you have defined it over here. And then, yeah, let me take you to the next line by adding a slash n. So it's going to loop through the array, red, black, blue. Let me loop through the integer array too. So let me add a few more things over here, like 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Let us change this to array 2, and then let me define this to be lesser than or equal to 10, and let's run this. So it's going to print all the values from 10 to 100. Yeah, so this is how you just loop through the arrays. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you omit the array this thing. So I'm in the array specific value. You just can leave it blank if you don't want to specify it. So this can store how many ever values, how many items you want to store. It will store it. So there's not you don't have a definite value over here, so you can just keep adding it over here. And you also can create like omit the array size by just taking it to be like 100, so you can add up to 100 items in that array. So this is how you omit the array size by not specifying it, or specifying it like a random value, like to be 1000, 2000, or even 100. So it depends on how many items are you going to store in that array. So these are the concepts of array and how to use them. So in this video I've covered it all. I hope you liked it. If you have any doubts or any questions, or if you need few exercises related to arrays and stuff, just leave a comment and it will be done. So I hope you liked it. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.